When I unboxed the knitting machine, I noticed that one of the needles was broken. To change it, you must take something pointy and push the needle rail until you reach the broken needle. The latch on my needle is broken, so I will pull it out very gently. If your needle has a latch, close it and then pull it out. Then open the latch before inserting the new needle. If the needle is bent, take pliers and broke off the top part before removing it. Finally, return the needle rail to its place. If the broken needle is on the back bed, first remove the color changer if you use one, of course. Then push out the needle rail until you reach the broken needle. Hold the needle by its foot and remove it. If the needle doesn't have a latch, pull it out very gently. Insert a new needle with its latch open. Finally, return the needle rail to its place and attach the color changer by tightening the two screws. A pro tip: if you don't have a spare needle, you can use one from the last ones on the machine. That's all for today. See you in my next video.